welcome back to my almost dead channel because it's been at least 6 months since I've talked to you all, and well, there's been a lot that's been going on, so I didn't really have a whole lot of time nor energy to actually get anything updated here at my YouTube channel, which makes me feel terrible. But now that we're all in the United States and pretty much around the world under cover for the next who knows how long here in Virginia, we're not even going back to school. I have to virtually teach until June. I believe it's about either the 10th when we actually have the cutoff date of like no social gatherings, social distancing, or we may even teach a little bit beyond that, but I don't know. We're still kind of in flux about what's going on. So I hope all of you who are under the same situation are doing okay, and I hope that all of you have restarted your YouTube channel as well. I don't expect to do a ton, but I will be updating more often than I have been. So there's that. Today I'm going to go ahead and do my stitch fix for April of 2020. And this month was a fun month. A couple of things I'm going to be returning. I'm not actually as in love with this month as I was with March, which was a much better month, but I didn't have time to do it in March. So I will go ahead and do my April one. So this month we have a total of 5 items, one of which I am wearing. I love this color, so this is likely going to stay with me unless you guys think that maybe I should return it. But I have a feeling, based upon what I've seen from y'all in the past, you prefer the bright, vivid jewel colors, and you do have a tendency to like these sort of pretty florals on me, just like I like them as well. So, so I have here exactly what I received from Christine. Christine's been my stylist for a while now, and she's been fabulous. So I've been very happy with all the things she's been sending me. This month was pretty good. I think I've got 3 out of 5 that I like. So this is number 16. Here is a look at the invoice. Okay. The 2 items I'm not interested in keeping are actually the more expensive items, so that makes me happy because it would be nice to be able to not have to spend a lot of money on the items that I love. So here is the card that shows all the items and the little letter she sent me, and I'll quickly read it to you all. It says, "Hi, happy fix day. I hope this fix brightens your day during these uncertain times." So apparently she sent it to me after the quarantine started. I don't know, I literally from March 13th to today is April 11th, I've been in Lul mode. And so, yeah, that's an actual term, Lul. Yeah, I have no idea how to spell that term, but I've been in this mode of like, what in the actual is happening with our world and what am I going to have to do and figuring things out. So sometime between March 13th and today, this came. It says, "I'm always in search of the most unique pieces for you to add to your wardrobe. Bold colors, fun prints, and of course a perfect fit. We had tried a jumpsuit in a previous fix and that didn't work out, so I was able to find another one by Goldray for you. This lightweight and fun to throw on for spring or summer." And I actually went ahead and put that on one of my Insta stories for my Dina Gideon Insta account. And something like 86% of people really like the jumpsuit on me. So I'll actually put a picture of that in just a few minutes so you guys can see why people agreed that I should keep that one. And I think I will keep it. And the 41 Hawthorn shirt dress would be lovely for work. And I've actually already worn it, not to school, but to virtual school, because I still dress up for the kids. Because if I'm being videoed, I've noticed that if I don't have bright colors or really nice outfits on, or if I don't have my makeup on, I feel like I don't look as presentable. Like at school, I can get away with a little less makeup because they see me in real life, but on camera, it's a little different. And because we do Google Meets for our virtual classroom. And by the way, we didn't go and have like a week off of teaching. We literally, March 13th, we found out we were, oh, sorry, March 16th, we found out we were not going. Oh, so no, March 13th, we found out we weren't going back to school. March 16th, we had a day to get ready. And then we pretty much immediately went straight into virtual teaching. So yeah. So I've basically been dressing up since I found out we were going to be under quarantine. Technically, I'm in spring break now, so I've got a little bit more time. I think we all have more time right now. Anyway, so I wore that shirt dress to work. Pair this with the Tom's flats from your last fix. I don't know if I did that. I may have actually, I'll have to look at the picture again. It was a cute little pair of sandals, at least. Oh no, it was sandals because it was warm outside. The purple cut from the Kloth Capri pants is also another fantastic option for the upcoming seasons, and I love the print of the 41 Hawthorn blouse to wear with the high-waisted denim. And technically that's how I'm wearing it right now. And lastly, the SeaVees floral sneakers are so cool and offer the pop tinny casual outfit. So I guess I'll go ahead and start with this one. It is the little top she was talking about from 41 Hawthorn, and it is the Breyson pleated detail blouse. It is medium and $58. So it has a nice little, it's got an ease to it that's just really lovely. I've lost some weight. I've lost about 20 pounds since last summer, so things are fitting me much looser, but somehow even this would have fit me last summer, it still fits me now. It's like, I think the things that Christine are sending me are really good for people who actually end up in a situation where I am, where even when we lose weight, we want to have clothes that will still fit us at either weight. My plan is to not go back to that weight. I would prefer to stay at the weight I am currently. And since I walk an hour every day, even under the quarantine, I'm out there walking 6 feet away from everybody, of course. And it's been really good to, you know, be able to maintain this weight loss. So I have a picture of me with it on here. So next we'll go ahead to, let's go ahead and do my favorites last, and we'll do my least favorites first. So this is actually the cut from the Kloth Denim Capris. These are really well made. I mean, this is a nice denim. The color is gorgeous. The crop skinny cut on me, it's not that I think it looks horrible. It's just, I prefer, if I'm gonna have a capri, I just want it to be denim. And last summer they sent me, I believe it was cut from the Kloth, Capris denim, and I love them. I thought they were super cute and they suited my style more. I think I want her, Christine, to send me this color, but in a full length pant or in a short, because I dig the way it fit. I dig the way it felt. I love the color, and I know I can wear things with this. Even though I don't have a ton of purple in my closet, I have a lot of floral shirts and tops that have this color in it. So that would be really cool if I could get this rather than in a capri, either a longer pant or in a short. So that'll be my request. So these are definitely going back. So here they are in me right here. And you'll notice that I actually styled it with that cute off-the-shoulder top from last summer, and it looks really nice with this color purple. So I'm hoping maybe if she sends me a pair of shorts, it would look really cute with that off-the-shoulder top. All right, so next I have, oh, here we go. This is the SeaVees, what are they called? Girlfriend, just stand up. My daughter's trying to walk down the stairs. Stand up. Say hi to everybody. No. Okay, my daughter is here, sliding down the stairs. Because I don't want to be in your video. She doesn't want to be in my video, even though she's happy to be in all the other ones, I might add. So these are actually super cute. I just, right now, don't know that I would wear them enough to justify it, but I might, if they still have them in a year or so, if I find that I'm wanting these, I might go back and purchase them. But at the moment, I don't know. I just think I wear enough florals up here and when I'm wearing dresses that I think having floral shoes is not necessarily going to be something I need right now. It's a little bit excessive. And this is coming from me. So they are really well made. I mean, these are gorgeous shoes. I think I'd actually prefer these in maybe a navy. I would dig them just by themselves in a navy, or maybe a dual color, like a navy and something else. So if there's a SeaVees that has two colors or is just navy, that would actually work. These are nice. It's just not going to be staying home with me. And I did not put them on. I did not take a photograph with them. I actually just wanted to keep them the way they look. So I forgot to tell you the price of the cut from the Kloth and for the SeaVees. So the cut from the Kloth was $78. It was size 10. It was a little loose, but not too loose. It felt pretty good on. So $80 for something I'm not going to wear very much. No way. And the SeaVees are also about $78, $80. And those are 9.5. And again, super cute, but I'm not going to wear it enough to justify the price. Okay, so we'll go ahead and move on to the one that was surprising. I didn't think I would keep it. It's the jumpsuit. And this is by Goldray. And it is one of the ones where you have to, like, you know, you can't wear a bra with it unless you wear like a strapless bra. So I don't wear strapless bras. I get those little cover things to cover stuff. But I'm so flat chested that I don't need a bra. So actually what I did notice, the one thing I have a problem with this jumpsuit isn't the cut or the pockets or the print. I mean, it's all super cute. This is really cute, and the length is perfect on me. And I'm almost 5'9", so this is excellent. It was more that when I look at the photographs of it, I realized I look really flat chested. Like I felt a little bit in that outfit. If I style it just so, I could look like I belong at Studio 54 in like 1976, which is fabulous. But I definitely have that like super flat chested, like I could afro my hair out a bit or like do like a weird 70s design like with feathering and just fit right in. It would be amazing. But it was a bit, it's a bit jarring to see just how flat chested I actually look. So that was my one complaint about the jumpsuit, but it does look really good. And so I'm kind of excited to wear it this summer. And so for those of you who kind of dig the long jumpsuit with the like super bare shoulders, this is a jumpsuit for you. This one is a touch more expensive, but I have a love for jumpsuits as long as they look good. This one is $78 and it's a medium, but I will definitely be wearing it. I like my jumpsuits. So actually what I was interested in, I looked through the people who voted on this jumpsuit, and there were only like 2 or 3 guys that voted. It was mainly women, and nearly every woman voted yes. And most of the men voted yes, but there was one guy who voted no, and I was like, I wanted to ask him, like, what is it? Because guys are a little bit more honest about their opinions, and I wanted to know what it was that he didn't like. And I don't know, who knows? But there were 5 people who voted no, and I think it was like 25 voted yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. It's not this pattern is definitely not normally my style, but it looks really cool. So first I'm going to show you the picture of the results from the Insta story. And I'm going to show you second, it head to toe. And third, it's just a close-up of me from here to here. And finally, this one is definitely a keeper. It's super, super cute. It's this little ruffled collar. You know, it is definitely, she called it a shirt dress. It definitely is, because it has buttons that are operable. It has a cute little cinched waistband with the tie. And this is by Hawthorn, 41 Hawthorn. And I don't normally wear purple because I can't wear purple. Purple's like one of my least like good colors next to my skin. But for whatever reason, this eggplant plus the teal, it actually seems to work. Oh, why is it being so funny? Oh, there we go. Sorry, my phone was being funny. So, but this one actually, I kind of like the colors against my skin tone. It seemed to work. Yeah, so definitely my style. So she did well with that one, and she knows, I think she knows me well enough at this point to know what I love. This is the Cassandra split hem. No, sorry, that was the cut from the cloth. This is the Devon shirt dress, and it is also $78. In fact, 4 of the items are $78 and 1 was $58. So even though I won't get the big discount, by not purchasing $160 worth of items, I'm still saving money. So I would prefer to just have the 3 that I really love. This one, the shirt dress, and the jumpsuit. So the dress on me is right here. And a close-up is right here. All right, well, I'm glad to finally be back with you. I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and I look forward to seeing all of your stuff as well. So if you'd like, go ahead and subscribe down below, and I will subscribe back. I usually do, unless you don't have any content, then I'm not going to subscribe back because you're not publishing anything. But if you do have content, I'll subscribe back, and I look forward to future Stitch Fix videos, and possibly thinking about going into some makeup videos. Not like I'm going to teach you anything, I'm just going to show you how I put on my own makeup, and I don't expect anybody to be like, I'm going to do her thing. But you know, people like those videos and they seem to enjoy them, so I'll go ahead and share them with you. All right, well, hello and goodbye, and I will talk to you in a week or two.